Python MQTT Connect only for a limited time. I have a Python script wherein I'm connected to an MQTT server. I'm expecting to get a message through the topic where I'm subscribed to, but should I not receive the message, I want to terminate the script entirely. The script I'm working with looks as follows. I have tried using a while true statement to loop and figure the time passing in between starting the script and it getting the message, but it seems to, obviously, not escape the loop even while it gets the message through. Is there a way that I can say how long it be connected for, and when it exceeds that time, just terminate the script entirely? Or perhaps, is there a way, as I tried before, to make a loop but also consider the message coming through while in the loop? Thanks for your suggestions.
Try something like this. It should wait for about 5 seconds for an incoming message then quit. You can adjust the wait time by changing the value wait time just before the while loop. I have used the version of the MQTT network loop function that only runs for a short time and put it in a while loop. The loop also checks elapsed time and disconnects the client cleanly before bailing out of the loop. I also added a clean client exit for when a message is received.
If you want the same way, yes, Chelsea is okay.